Hey everyone, today we'll see what 3 AI and tech mistake holding us back. If you see, everyone is talking about the AI and the new tech, but some are using it completely wrong. In this video, we will be breaking down the 3 biggest traps some fall into exactly and how you can bypass them. First mistake which we are doing is we are thinking AI as a magic wand. The problem is like we treat AI as a magic that requires zero effort, copying the output blindly without verifying the fact and checking what we got as a result or as a response is right. The consequences are like we get the generic content or the broken piece of code and the response, which take a lot of time to fix later. But how we can fix that? To fix that, we need to treat AI as a highly capable intern or fresher, not as a boss. Always review what AI does and then edit and add your own unique perspective or technical verification. Second mistake, what we do is like ignoring the fundamental. The problem is like we get distracted by the shiny object syndrome. Many jump into the complex AI framework before mastering the core technology basic, such as the data structure, fundamentals, what you want to know, and go ahead with the basic prompt logic. So due to this, the consequences are like whenever the tool change or some you don't know, like you will be completely lost because you don't understand what was the underlying concept. So how to fix this? Instead of spending full time in using the AI, we also should spend around 20 to 30% in learning the core concept of how software and the data work. Because tool keep changing frequently, but your fundamental will remain same and you can use this very effectively. Third mistake, which we do, which is the bad prompting and giving the weak context. This is very important to fix it. Then you will see the result in the going forward. So here we just go and give the treat the AI as a Google search. Like just you put a word like a write and tech essay. So Google just give you 10 different essays related to your search result. What the consequences are here is like AI just return you the generic, boring, and the and very common answers, which actually is not what you are expecting. So to fix this, start using RCT framework. Why this is important? Because you will be setting the role and context and tasks for the AI. Then it will give you, this will become as a perfect prompt and it will give you the right result. Let's see how this works in the examples. Take an example as a bad search. So how this bad search work? So why I'm saying this as a bad search, you use AI and just type a letter, okay, write a description for a camera sensor. But to get the result, what you get, you won't be happy with this result. But when you start giving more context, more role, and the more tasks to the AI, he'll understand it more well and get you the very different response. When you get time, please try at your end. So what I'm talking about the RCT framework is like you set the mindset for the AI, what you are. So in the role, you are saying act as an expert. You're telling AI to act as an expert video producer or tech educator. And what context we are giving to AI? We are telling them, okay, make a 5-minute video explaining how camera sensor work to the beginner who only shoot on the smartphone. Suppose you want, that is your niche, to shoot the photos as a using SLR or the smartphone, but give the context. And what the task you are expecting it to do, write an engaging and the fast-paced video intro script, like how you will be using every day and including the visual clues. So if you give the search word as a just how to use the camera sensor, you will see how the AI will give you a generic, boring, and Wikipedia style answer. But when you give the right context, like if you start using the RCT framework, you will see the AI will not pull the generic content like our textbook definition. It will understand your tone, it'll understand who are you and what tasks you are expecting. It will start giving you those right response and with detail. Let's go into the second example. So second example, if you see why we call this as a weak context, again, you give an AI write a description for a travel vlog. So again, it will give you the generic and the boring Wikipedia style details, like a lot of information, which is not relevant to you maybe. But when you start giving some more context, like as a SEO specialist, copyright for top travel creator, so that is your role. And what context you are setting to the AI is like, I'm uploading a solo travel vlog about budgeting in Tokyo. The video target Gen Z viewer looking for good food hack. So that is the context which we are setting. And the task, what we are expecting from the AI, let's describe that too. Write a search optimized YouTube video description, include a catchy 2-sentence summary hook or section for timestamp and list of 5 relevant tags. So it will give you all the tags, the description, the timestamp, all the things in proper way. So if you see, this is the end result. When you get time, start using RCT framework and see the result. So let me know if you have made any of this mistake and drop a comment if you think, or you can drop what RCT framework you have used to execute your result. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you for watching this.